Welcome to Astounding, quick slick magic tricks. Before we start, I need to warm up a little because my neck's just been feeling just a little bit stiff. Oh, that's much better.